Percentage, increase, decrease. In the previous clip, we looked at the non-calculator method. Now it's time to look at the calculator method. So let's look at this question. So I'm going to increase 120 by 23%. So my answer will include my original 100% here, and then I will add 23% on. So the way we can look at this question is we can find 123% of 120. 123% means 123 out of 100. Of means times. Therefore, we can put into the calculator 123 divided by 100 multiplied by 120. And we get the answer of 147.6. With our non-calculator method, we would have found 23% of 120 and then added it on to my original 120. However, as you can see, this method is a lot quicker. Instead of using 123 over 100, I can actually change this into a decimal. 123 divided by 100 is 1.23. So instead of typing into the calculator 123 divided by 100, I can type in 1.23 multiplied by 120 and I get the same answer of 147.6. Now this has got a very special name. It is called the multiplier. Let's have a look at this example. I'm going to increase 85 by 39%. So remember, in my answer I want 100% of the original amount plus my 39%. So I'm looking to find 139% of 85. So 139% of 85 is the same as 139 over 100 multiplied by 85, which is the same as 1.39 times 85. So this here is my multiplier. Now I'm going to look at decreases. It is the same principle. If I decrease 60 by 15%, I want 15% less than my original 100%. So that means I want 85%. 100% my original minus my 15% decrease means that I'm looking for 85% of 60. So let's set that up as a calculation. So we're going to find 85% of 60. Now we can write 85% is 85 over 100. My of means times, and I've got 60. Now the multiplier is writing 85 over 100 as a decimal. So 85 divided by 100 is 0.85. So my multiplier is 0.85. If I type that into the calculator, the answer is 51, which represents 85% of my original amount of 60. Let's have a look at one more decrease. So this time I'm going to decrease 80 by 22%. So my answer will have 100% of 80 minus my 22%. So I'm looking at 78% of the original amount, 80. So if I set that up below as a calculation, I have got 78%, which means out of 100, of, which is times 80. And then using the multiplier, I changed 78 over 100 into a decimal. So that is 0.78 multiplied by 80. If I type that into my calculator, it's 62.4. And that's my final answer. That's 22% decrease on 80. Now it's your turn to answer some questions. Pause the video and try these. How did you do? Here are the answers. If you answered any incorrectly, have a look back through the video and then try again.